Today we're going to be talking about a financial concept that you really need to understand as a future homeowner. We're going to be talking about inflation. Check it out. Welcome to Homeowner Prep. I hope you're safe during these crazy times. I wanted to bring up the concept of inflation because I've been having a couple conversations recently about how America is giving out so much money and what the potential impact is going to be on us long term. And so I wanted to talk about that. As you are approaching your goal of buying your first home, you have to understand that inflation in our economy is not necessarily a good thing to the average consumer. However, there is a way that you can protect yourself from inflation, and that's through home ownership. You can protect yourself from the inflation that is to come by buying real assets like gold or real estate so that you're protected long term as inflation starts to come into our market. Inflation doesn't show up right away. It does take a couple of years for it to show up. But just to give you some context, last year we were right about 2% with our US inflation. Overall, we've had very low inflation that we've enjoyed since the 80s. In fact, we haven't seen double-digit inflation since 1981. So we've been relatively good on inflation. However, these are unprecedented times where we're seeing a lot of money enter into the marketplace through bailouts and through stimulus packages that could potentially impact us for years to come. So as you're thinking about ways to protect yourself from the oncoming inflation, think about how your real estate purchase is going to benefit you long term. Buying a home with a fixed interest rate will protect you from inflation and also help you take advantage of the appreciation of your home. So make sure you're buying assets, commodities, things that have real value in order to protect yourself from the inflation that we're expecting. If you need help getting into your first home, you're tired of paying rent, and you definitely don't want your rent to continue to increase, reach out to us. We'd love to help out. And as always, you can visit our website at homeownerprep.com/assessment to see exactly where you're at today and help you get ready to buy your first home. These are unprecedented times where we're seeing a lot of money flow through stimulus packages and bailouts. So protect yourself by buying your first home.